The beginning of the Madagascar Ankizy Fund really came about as a result of our paleontological work. We'd be looking for fossils and there'd be children following us everywhere. It's a Monday, it's a Tuesday, it's a Wednesday, why aren't you in school? And their answer, of course, was that we're not in school because there is no school. The government is too poor to afford schools in remote areas of Madagascar. One thing has led to another, and we now have built 5 schools, and we're about to build our 6th school. We have 4 primary schools. The mission of the Madagascar Ankizy Fund is to provide education, but also health care for children living in extremely remote areas of the country. Because of the poor nature of their teeth, we decided that maybe we could do something there. And that was really the beginning of our dental missions. Now we take about 3 dentists and 10 to 12 dental students along. When we go in there now, our missions are about 3 weeks long. We'll see 1,000, 1,100 patients and alleviate pain and suffering for them on the spot, and most of them are children. Those programs have actually helped us to institute oral health care programs where we can distribute toothbrushes and toothpaste in schools. We educate the teachers help us educate the small children in primary schools, and then those small children will go back to their homes, to their older siblings who don't have an education, or to their parents, and distribute toothbrushes and toothpaste and teach them how to brush their teeth. Before we were there, many of the people would simply brush their teeth by licking their finger, sticking it in the sand and rubbing it across their teeth because that's all they had. As long as we can obtain funding in order to do these kinds of programs, we can keep helping because there's an infinite need for help. You can't help but be affected by these children. It's not their fault they were born where they are as opposed to being born here, and they're in such need, and I'd like to think that anybody that sees that need will try to help, and so we've tried to do our small bit.